So till now we have learned three types of values: string, integer or number, and floating point number. Now there is another type of values, those are called Boolean values. So let's study that. First we'll comment our previous code. So we'll write slash star, and at the end also we'll write star slash. Okay, and let's also comment this, and here we can write variables. Now here we'll start Boolean values. Now there are only two types of Boolean values. One is true and another one is false. And let's store them into a variable. So we'll write let. We cannot name a variable with true, so we'll write t is equal to true, and then a semicolon. After this again we'll write let f is equal to false. Okay, there we go. Now let's print this value inside our console and also check their data type. So we'll write console.log, and inside this let's write t comma f. Now this is the syntax for printing both t and then f. Now t is the variable which contains true and f contains false. Now let's end this line, save this, and now open our console. There we go, we are getting true and false. Now let's check their data type. So here we'll write t, and here we'll replace f by type of t. Okay, save this. There we go. So t is true and its data type is Boolean. Now these Boolean values are basically generated by comparison operators, and there are basically 6 comparison operators. Let's talk about each of them one by one. So first one is greater than. Let's say if we write 6 is greater than 4. Now this statement is true, so therefore this comparison operator will return true. Let's see that. For that, let's log it inside our console. Write console.log, and now save this. There we go, we are getting true. Let's make a copy of this statement and paste it here. Okay, now this time let's use another operator, that is less than. Save this. So because this statement is false, therefore we are getting false. Now just like greater than, less than, we have also greater than, equal to, and less than, equal to, which will also return a Boolean value. And apart from these 4 values, we also have 2 more operator. Let's print this. So the fifth comparison operator is triple equal to. This checks if both values are equal or not. Now if we save this, we are getting false. But if this will be 6, then it will be true. Here it does not need to be 6 or 6. You can also write 6.000, which is equal to 6. That's why this statement should also return true. There we go. Now in JavaScript, there are basically 2 types of comparison operator which equates both quantity. First is triple equal, and second is double equal to. This operator also checks whether these 2 values are equal or not. See, but the difference between triple equal to and double equal to is, in double equal to, even if both the values are not of same data type. So this is a number, and let's say this becomes a string. Now both these values are not of same data type. We would expect it to return false, but it will return true. Save this. and there we go. This is the problem with double equal to. But if same thing happens with triple equal to, this will return a false. Save this. There we go. Just like these equals to comparison operator, we have also not equals to comparison operator. Let's copy this code from here, paste it, and now for not equal to operator, we will remove the first equal to sign and replace it with exclamation mark. Now this is a symbol for not equals to. Now you can predict the result of this comparison. These both values are of different data type. This operator is checking whether they are not equal or not. So because of being a value of different data type, so they are obviously not equal to each other. So this value should return true. Now you will see we have a lot of true false, true false. So we might confuse the result for this. So let's do one thing. Let's put a serial number before all of this result. So let's write 1 comma. Now save this. There we go. Fifth, we knew that these values are not equal. So the result should be true, and that's why we are getting true. Again, we have also exclamation mark is equal to as not equal to operator. Save this and we'll get a false, because according to this operator these both values are equal. These were the basically 6 types of operator. So in JavaScript we generally do not use this and this operator because of their shortcoming of not considering type of data. Now let's talk about the priority for comparison operator. Here let's say we write 6 is greater than equal to 4, and then we write plus 4. Now what do you think? So here first of all this operator will work or this. So in JavaScript these comparison operators have the priority after mathematical operators. So this addition has higher priority than this operator. So first of all it will calculate this 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then it will check whether 6 is greater than equal to 8 or not. So it should return false, and currently it is true. And let's see, save this. There we go. Now we are getting false.